The new intelligence factories are flooding into the American heartland and the South. The formula is simple, where there's cheap power, cheap land, and fast permitting. Texas is on track to overtake Virginia as the world's largest market for intelligence creation by 2030. It has 6.5 gigawatts of capacity under construction. That's almost 20% of the entire US pipeline. From Mississippi to Indiana, from Wisconsin to Georgia, the pattern is unmistakable. The coasts might build the models, but the interior is building the intelligence factories. Globally, this concentration is staggering. The United States hosts roughly 75% of the world's AI compute capacity. China is second at 15%, and the entire European Union sits below 5%. These data centers aren't storing emails and storing videos. They are the GPU clusters that produce intelligence, and they are overwhelmingly, disproportionately American.